A typical day-long visit to an amusement and water park. 9 a.m. Arrival and entry formalities. Reach early to beat crowds and get prime locker cabana spots. Collect wristbands, maps, and check height ride restrictions. Rent a locker for valuables and pick a base area, shade umbrella. Use this time to apply sunscreen. Hydrate. Decide whether to start with dry rides or water rides first. Recommended, dry rides early while queues are short. 10 a.m. Begin with major thrill rides, dry zone. Go for the headline attractions first. Roller coasters. Freefall towers. Giant swings. Inverted coasters. High-speed thrill rides. Morning lines are shortest dot. Tips. Queue early for the biggest coaster. Use single rider lanes where available. Secure loose items before boarding. 11 a.m. Family and moderate rides. Move to bumper cars. 4D theaters. Carousels. Mini coasters. Train rides. Spinning cups moderate thrill rides. Great time for family groups and children to enjoy activities with shorter wait times. 12 p.m. Lunch break and cool down. Visit the food court for fast food, burgers, pizza, hot dogs. Indian thali options. Ice pops, fresh juices. Hydration drinks. Take a 30 to 40 minute rest in a shaded seating area. Avoid heavy meals if you plan to hit water rides soon. 1 p.m. Transition to the water park zone. Head to the changing rooms. Switch to swimwear. Reapply waterproof sunscreen. Keep slippers and towel in locker. Leave electronics safely stored. Water zones feel best during early afternoon heat. 2 p.m. Water slides and adrenaline attractions. Start with the high-demand slides. Vertical drop slides. Tube slides. Mat racers. Funnel slides. Wave shoots. Tornado bowls. Tips. Follow lifeguard instructions strictly. Wear proper swimming attire, no metal zippers buttons. Hold your mat tube correctly to avoid losing control. 3 p.m. Lazy river and wave pool. A relaxing hour. Float along the lazy river. Enjoy periodic wave pool sessions, usually every 20 to 30 minutes. Ideal for groups who want to stay together. This is also a good slot for hydration and fruit snacks. 4 p.m. Children's splash zone family pools. If traveling with kids, this is the perfect time. Splash pads. Gentle slides. Rain dance areas. Shallow activity pools. Adults can take a breather in shaded loungers. 5 p.m. Evening return to dry zone, optional. If energy permits. Revisit favorite thrill rides. Explore evening shows, like music parades. Shorter queues as people leave the park or remain in water areas. Else, stay in water zone for final swims. 6 p.m. Wind down and exit. Change into dry clothes. Visit souvenir shops. Enjoy snacks, corn, popcorn, ice cream. Collect belongings from lockers. Exit before closing to avoid traffic snarls at the parking area. Pro tips for the perfect park day. What to carry. Waterproof phone pouch. Quick dry towel. Sunscreen. Lightweight clothing. Flip-flops for water zone. Hydration and food. Drink water every 45 to 60 minutes. Avoid heavy meals before thrill rides. Snack lightly between rides. With kids, use height measurement boards. Stick to shaded zones. Schedule nap or cooling breaks. Safety first. Follow ride instructions. Do not run on wet surfaces. Avoid rides if feeling dizzy or overheated. If you like the video, please click on the like, subscribe and share buttons. Hit the bell icon to receive the latest updates.